Welcome to episode 85 of 100 Days of Data. I'm Jonas, an AI professor, here to explore the foundations of data and AI with you.
And I, Amy, an AI consultant, excited to bring these concepts to life with stories and practical insights. Glad you're joining us.
AI copilots everywhere. That's the new reality we're diving into today.
Yeah, it's everywhere. In your email, in your code editor, even in how companies handle customer requests. Microsoft is leading the charge on this, and it's reshaping productivity as we know it.
Let's start by setting some context. When we say AI copilot, what exactly are we referring to? In a simple sense, it's an AI system designed to assist a human user, working alongside them rather than replacing them. Think of it as a teammate who's always ready to help.
Totally. It's like having a smart assistant who knows your stuff, anticipates your needs, speeds things up, and even suggests ideas you might not have thought of. For businesses, that can mean massive efficiency gains, especially when you're dealing with tons of data or repetitive tasks.
From a theoretical perspective, AI copilots rely heavily on advances in machine learning, natural language processing, and cloud computing. Microsoft combines these elements on a massive scale by embedding AI-powered assistants into tools millions use daily, like Word, Excel, Outlook, and even Teams.
And this isn't just about making life easier. It's about increasing productivity that impacts the bottom line. I worked with a client in the automotive sector recently where using AI copilots for design and data analysis shaved weeks off development cycles.
That's a great example. For Microsoft, the Copilot concept leverages their cloud platform, Azure, as the backbone. Azure provides the compute power, storage, and AI services required to process vast amounts of data in real time, enabling these smooth interactions.
Right, and Microsoft's huge user base means they have tons of data to train and refine their models. This is one of their biggest advantages. For instance, in the finance industry, firms are now using Microsoft-powered AI copilots to quickly analyze market trends and generate reports, which used to take human analysts days.
Exactly. The synergy of productivity software and cloud infrastructure is what makes these copilots so powerful. Take Microsoft 365 Copilot, for example. It's embedded directly into apps people already know and use daily. No steep learning curve.
I love that point. Adoption is a big hurdle for any AI tool. When people feel the AI is just part of their familiar workspace, they are more likely to embrace it. I've seen this firsthand in retail companies where sales teams started using AI copilots to generate personalized customer outreach, which boosted their conversion rates.
It's worth noting the historical journey that got us here. Microsoft has been investing in AI for decades, evolving from basic algorithms to deep neural networks, and now transformer models, the kind behind modern language AI. Their recent partnerships, especially with OpenAI, accelerated this transition.
Yes, the OpenAI connection is huge. By integrating advanced generative AI into their ecosystem, Microsoft can offer copilots that don't just fetch data, but generate content. Whether it's drafting emails or summarizing meetings, that's a game changer for business workflows.
The term copilot also implies a human-in-the-loop approach, which is crucial. AI suggestions are exactly that, suggestions. Humans evaluate, verify, and take action. This combination balances efficiency with reliability.
That's a critical point in real-world projects. I often advise my clients that AI copilots speed things up, but human judgment remains essential, especially in regulated industries like healthcare or finance, where accuracy and compliance are paramount.
And from a data perspective, Microsoft's approach involves strict data governance and privacy controls. Using personal or company data responsibly while delivering powerful AI features is a tightrope walk, and Microsoft invests heavily in this.
On the ground, companies worry about data security and ethical AI use. Seeing a trusted brand like Microsoft put so much effort into privacy frameworks helps ease those concerns, making it easier for organizations to adopt AI copilots confidently.
Looking deeper into the technology stack, Microsoft employs models fine-tuned on domain-specific data, enhancing relevance. For example, in coding, GitHub Copilot, powered by OpenAI's Codex, suggests code snippets based on the project context, cutting down debugging and development time.
GitHub Copilot is a perfect case study. I know several software teams that have cut their coding time by 30 to 40%. It's like having a senior programmer whispering tips as you work. But it also highlights the need for developers to stay engaged and not blindly trust AI suggestions.
That's a good caution. AI copilots aren't flawless. They can make mistakes or generate plausible sounding but incorrect outputs. This again stresses the role of human oversight.
Absolutely. In business, this translates to training users to understand AI's capabilities and limits. One client I worked with implemented a phased rollout, starting with pilot teams to build trust and learn how to best integrate the copilot into workflows before scaling company-wide.
That's a great caution. Beyond individual productivity, Microsoft's AI copilots also impact collaboration. Features like automatic meeting summaries, agenda suggestions, or real-time translation facilitate smoother communication across teams and borders.
That's transformative. I recently saw a healthcare provider reduce administrative burden by 20% thanks to AI copilots handling patient follow-ups and documentation. Clinicians saved time and patients got better, faster responses.
The cloud aspect cannot be overstated. Azure's scalability allows these copilots to serve millions simultaneously while continuously updating and improving the AI models with new data and feedback.
And Microsoft's hybrid cloud approach gives clients flexibility. Some industries still need to keep critical data on site, but want the benefits of AI. This hybrid model makes adoption more feasible.
It's a compelling framework for integrating AI across productivity, software development, communication, and data management. Microsoft's vision is essentially to augment every knowledge worker's capabilities.
To sum up from the practical angle, AI copilots help businesses reduce time on repetitive tasks, increase accuracy, and improve decision-making speed. The result? More focus on creative and strategic work.
And from a theoretical and historical viewpoint, Microsoft's AI copilots represent the convergence of advances in cloud computing, machine learning, and massive data scale, packaged in ways that human users can easily adopt.
Key takeaway. For businesses ready to harness AI, Microsoft's copilots provide a powerful example of practical, scalable, everyday AI embedded in familiar tools.
And for those curious about the foundations, this case exemplifies how AI theory translates to lived experience, combining models, data, and infrastructure to create meaningful productivity gains.
Next time, we'll take a close look at OpenAI itself, the organization behind these generative AI breakthroughs, and a key partner in Microsoft's AI journey.
If you're enjoying this, please like or rate us 5 stars in your podcast app. We'd love to hear your thoughts, questions, or experiences with AI copilots. Your comments might inspire future episodes.
Until tomorrow, stay curious, stay data-driven.